Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my brothers and sisters. Hope you are doing well. Today I am going to share with you all verse from Surah Al-Ankabut, verse number 69. Allah mentioned in the Holy Quran, وَالَّذِينَ جَاهَدُوا فِينَا لَنَهْدِيَنَّهُمْ سُبُلَنَا. As for those who strive for us, as for those who put effort and make sacrifices for us, لَنَهْدِيَنَّهُمْ سُبُلَنَا, we will surely guide them to our path. وَإِنَّ اللَّهَ لَمَعَ الْمُحْسِنِينَ, and indeed Allah is with the doers of good. My brothers and sisters, this is a very powerful verse of the Holy Quran, and at the same time very comforting and encouraging verse of the Holy Quran. You know, Allah opens up this verse by saying, وَالَّذِينَ جَاهَدُوا. First of all, this verse is related to those who put their effort. This is number one rule. وَالَّذِينَ جَاهَدُوا. Allah uses the letter here, jahad, which literally means to strive, to put effort, to make sacrifices. So Allah is saying, as long as you are putting your effort for me, fina literally mean for the sake of Allah. As long as your effort is for the sake of Allah Almighty, لَنَهْدِيَنَّهُمْ سُبُلَنَا. Allah say, our guidance will be always there. Our help will be always with you, but the condition is that you have to put your effort. And subhanallah, my brothers and sisters, in another place Allah mentioned that inna Allah la yughayyiru ma biqaumin hatta yughayyiru ma bi anfusihim, that Allah does not change the situation of people until they try to change themselves first. This is number one rule, my brothers and sisters, in our life, that if we want to change, or if we want to bring some changes into our life, first move we have to make, and then we can expect the guidance of Allah Almighty, and then we can expect the help of Allah Almighty. We can't be just sitting and saying nothing is working, nothing is happening with me, things not working with me, things are not all right with me. My brothers and sisters, you have to make first move, you have to take first step, and this is the promise of Allah Almighty, لَنَهْدِيَنَّهُمْ سُبُلَنَا. Allah said, you take first step and rest is up to me. لَنَهْدِيَنَّهُمْ سُبُلَنَا, we will surely guide you towards our path. And at the end, Allah mentioned very beautifully, وَإِنَّ اللَّهَ لَمَعَ الْمُحْسِنِينَ, and Allah mentioned, I am with the one who do good. I am with the one who try to do best in their life. And I always say, my brothers and sisters, whatever effort we put, it is to benefit ourselves. Man jahada fa innama yujahidu li nafsi. Allah mentioned in the Holy Quran, whoever put effort, whoever strive for himself. Remember, we can't benefit Allah Almighty, right? We can't benefit Allah for our namaz, for our zakat, Whatever we are doing in our life, it is to benefit our own self, not only in this dunya, but also on the day of judgment. But look at the mercy of Allah. Allah still saying that, although you are putting your effort, and this effort is only for you, it is for your own benefits, but still I am with you. I'm not going to leave you alone. So you put your effort and you do what you want to do, and I am not watching you, I am not with you. No. وَإِنَّ اللَّهَ لَمَعَ الْمُحْسِنِينَ. Subhanallah, Allah mentioned, I am with the one who do good. And I always say, if a prime minister or a president or someone with great influence and tell you, I am with you, don't worry, what will be the level of confidence in you? What will be the level of happiness in you? And here Allah saying, I am with the one who do best, who try to do best in their life. My brothers and sisters, but first thing, we have to put our effort. We have to make sure that we are doing something in our life, and then expect reward and help and guidance from Allah Almighty. So we make this dua that Allah Almighty grant us tawfiq to put effort so that we can be on the right path, so that we can become a better Muslim, a better believer. Ameen bijahi nabiyil ameen sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.